Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your number keys is not working or functioning in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So how? At the bottom search bar, please type for settings. So once a best match would appear, click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. So here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate for this option called accessibility, which is next to gaming in my case. So the accessibility tab is being composed of three categories, which are vision, hearing, and interaction. And since we're dealing with our keyboard and the one of our key, which is our number keys, is not working, then all you need to do is you need to navigate to interaction and you can see their mouse. So click on the mouse and here you can see their mouse keys. So the factor or the reason why you face an error which is your number keys is not working is you have turned it on. So it's very crucial or it's very important to turn it off. In this way you won't be able to use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. So it's very important again to turn it off to disable the mouse keys. Once you're done, close the window and as much as possible, please do a right, proceed to the start icon, go with your power menu options and click on restart. So it is very important also to restart your computer so that you would be able to make any changes or so that you would be able to apply on the actions that you have just performed in this video. So restart your computer and once you have relaunched your window again, try to check if your number keys is now working. I'm sure it will be working this time on, okay? So that's it. Those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So please don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your number keys which is not functioning or working in your Windows 11 keyboard. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.